How to make Charlotte Tilbury Pop shots. Pop till you drop. Okay, so first on in, you apply a Colour Chameleon as a base. And now you're going to see me applying dark pearl as a base before applying the pop shot. And I'm just going to blend it in with my fingers like this and put a little bit underneath. And then I'm going to use Smokey Quartz on top. And you can see, I hope, when you see the next eye, I'm just going to do the next eye without the Colour Chameleon underneath. You can see that it pops, but not as much. Now, the other thing is, I'm going to show you some other combinations here. The other thing about this is there's some other advantages. Not only does it make the colour pop and look more vibrant, but it will also ensure that the colour stays on your eyelid a lot longer and you don't have any falling underneath, you know, little specks of glitter. It's just a really good technique. Now, this will work also with her eyeshadow quads, and it's also, I often use Charlotte Tilbury's Colour Chameleon with the Victoria Beckham lid lusters. And I can put some combinations of those in another video for you. But these are all the combinations that I would be using. Obviously, you can mix them up if you want to try different things, but these are kind of generally the corresponding shades. She is, I believe, about to bring out a Pillow Talk pop shot, in which case you could use that with the Pillow Talk Colour Chameleon. But these are the shades that I would recommend. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you for watching.